We are pleased to show you the 2026 F-650 Super Duty. Ford F-650 is spacious and loud. Will most definitely get the job done. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, power steering, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.